Ah! Were you able to sing carols too? Asked Thomas. Ah ha ha! Oh, ah, ah, ah. Ah, I come back, you find your steam engines. James is right, whistled Thomas. When I find an engine. Don't worry about Ken. I was thinking too. After all, guess Ken's my little name. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. But sister, let's be back. Yay! Wahoo! DreamWorks, Kung Fu Panda, coming first time. DVD. Oh, no, no. Oh, hey. And the mojo is this live vision. Oh. Annie, Clarabelle, there's Mr. Conductor. We found him. Surprise! It is not Mailer, it is Lizzie. She has the party hats. Where is Mailer? Man, I'm waiting. What was this? This is gonna be wicked. In the morning, the metallic, one on it, and a lot of coins look up their whole body. Be careful, warned Edward. There's the storm coming. A promise is a promise, thought Percy, no matter what the weather. Uh-oh. Soldier, secure the horse. I got a million, Sarah. That's such a great idea. Then why do we use so horrible? There, I'm just a sun activation.
Check in with me on the Ritz-Carlton.
Gently braking, Edward's driver checked the engine speed, and James's fireman scrambled across and took control.
The story itself is really funny, so I think I might share it on my feed.
Take no notice of Edward. He's just jealous. And the one shouldn't be famous but him. Look, it's coming now. Toby warned me this is just a word of doing. I can manage, thank you, she replied. I was a fuss puck like you. It is not in the freight of the tack Chinny Award. Chinny! Ah! Ew! Oh! This is all great! Here, let me help you get that off! Stand back! Oh. On the left, on the water, the sun. Hey! And it would take off to the bang it off. Huh? Ah! Okay, people, take a break, and we will shut down the half-hour system. We will tear Scare's long commission. What else can do wrong? And Moses is here. And what we'll do is a little reindeer, okay? Ah! DJ, what up? We got ourselves another from Toy Story. Color Splash Buddies becomes with one buddy of Woody. It is not nice to throw people. You total our emotions. Ow. Oh, Thomas, I was thinking, how is this little Mr. Conductor travel here? My gold dust. Jorn! Greetings, comrades. Ow, ooh, ow, ow, ooh, ow, ow, ow. Voices here, cheers. Ooh, ah, itch, ooh, itch, ow. Ah, ooh, itch, ow. Ah, ooh, itch, ow. Patrick, itchy. Ooh, itch, ooh, ow, chin. It's never gonna chin again. Chin, ooh, puffball. Da, do, dia. Oh, no. Whoa. Aha. Baby bird. You haven't a second clue. Yup. The second clue. This is this arrow. An arrow? Thanks for delivering that message, baby bird. You're welcome. Our second clue is slip on our handy dandy notebook. We felt better after drink. The single drop. Hurrah, Puff Thomas. Oh, boo, oh. Choo. Say no spitting. No spitting. Say no spitting. Now, I don't want to say goodbye. No, Chopper, you cannot eat Petrie. No. Huh? I said no. Just like my parents. Oh, no. Don't you see, Chomper? You can't be Sharp-Tooth. Sharp-Tooth all out this valley. Some one little fun.
Sorcery. I knew there was something dubious going on here.
Elsa.